Hello guys, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this video, I will show you how can you resolve a common error that every beginner of MongoDB show. Is we run our Mongo as such, we see this kind of error in our terminal or our command prompt, and even we run Mongo sh.exe file, we will see the same error right here. So how can we resolve this error? So first you need to go environment variable setting. You can also open this by computer property and advanced setting and go to environmental variable. In this path you will see the path setting, so go and edit and you will see this path here. If you not adding this part, then you need to configuration this part into your environmental path variable. If you set everything and again see the same error in your command prompt, then this means your services of MongoDB server is being off. So go to services app and search here Mongo server or MongoDB, anything you see here, and I go to bottom and see top, and there you will see here our MongoDB server is being off, and if we click, this will take us some bit of time, and as we see now this is stopped. After this, again go to command prompt and write the command mongo as such, and now you will see our MongoDB server is connected successfully and our error is being gone. So if you like this video, please give me a subscribe, press the bell icon, and thank you for watching our tutorial.